Your timeline is a mess, not from too many cuts, but from too many cuts with no reason. You stacked cuts, transitions, effects, and it still feels empty. You think, I've invested so much. In your audience, they're not feeling a thing, all because of one tiny, silly choice while editing. The good news, principles can make every choice actually hit. Last week, I was editing a personal project. 3 hours of work, 47 cuts, 12 transitions, and a lens flare nobody asked for. I asked myself, why is this here? The answer? Silence. Just silence. Turns out, I just added it because it looked cool at the time. Every edit should serve the story or emotion. Intentional editing is everything. Every trim, every zoom, every pop of color should have a reason. If you can't explain it in one sentence, it doesn't belong. Example, zoom on a face during a joke. Does it actually make the joke land? If yes, keep it. If not, erase it. Every edit should serve the story or emotion, not your ego. Ask yourself, does this make someone feel something? Example, instead of slow-mo on someone walking, show their reaction first. It builds tension. Cut only to emphasize a scene and pause where it matters. Let's simplify. Every cut should answer, why is it here? Every effect should either tell the story or create emotion. If it doesn't, delete it. Let's be honest. I've done this too. More edits made me feel productive, but nothing actually improved. 40 minutes trimming a single clip, and the story still didn't land. Hard work doesn't equal better editing. Like a donkey can work all day, but it won't turn into a horse. Stop editing for the sake of editing. Focus on intention. Every cut, every effect, every choice should have a purpose. The real insight? Editing isn't about doing more. It's about doing smarter. Intentional choices always beat busy work. Okay, here's the deal. 3 simple rules I actually use myself. First, every cut should have a reason. If it doesn't, why bother? Second, every effect should either tell the story or make someone feel something. No exceptions. And finally, when in doubt, just delete it. Seriously, always better gone. Tell me, what's the one edit on your timeline that's just there for no reason? Fix that one thing first. Small, intentional changes beat endless tweaks. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a video. Join the community and let's grow together.